Riteesvarye Namaha. Welcome to Anrita Virtual Academy. My name is Nirmala and I'm a body mind therapist from Spain with over 30 years of experience. Now we present to you the Myofascial Stretching workshop called the 5 Power Practices. In these 5 sessions, you will really experience a great and meaningful improvement in your physical and emotional tension patterns. These are very effective practices, and you will be able to check your condition before and realize the immediate benefits after. Usually, through the time, our minds forgets about the situations, the repressed emotions, the conflicts, but our body keeps all the memories. Our history is impressed in our cells. We will work in the deep structures of the fascia to free them, to restore, release, and recover the well-being in body and mind. You will also find Ama's teachings in the practices. I hope it will be a good inspiration for all of you. Om Riteesvarye.